Hello and welcome to Chapter 6 of the Production Minds Platform Walkthrough. In this chapter we will show you how to create shooting schedules in PMP. Let's get started and jump right on to the scheduling module. Your scenes are listed on the left as usual in screenplay order from beginning to end. First, you have to create a new schedule. You can create multiple schedules for different blocks of shooting, different units, or simply as alternatives, so just name them accordingly. You also have to set the approximate starting date. Of course, you can change these later. Now you can start inserting your scenes into the schedule. It's as simple as this. Just drag a scene and drop it to create a new shooting day. As you probably noticed, scheduled scenes disappear from the scene list. This helps you see what's still ahead. You can always make them visible again by changing the filters here if you need to. It's easy to find the relevant scenes. You can filter by set names, approved locations, required cast or special equipment, then group related scenes into a single day. Rearrange the scenes within a day by grabbing the handle on their left and dropping them where they need to be. Moving entire days is equally easy. You can change the amount of information displayed on the strips and adjust the coloring settings from this menu here. If you're used to the colors from another scheduling app, set it here and tick any additional scene details that you need. Now let's check out the Recalculate button. When you recalculate the schedule, PMP places your shooting days on the calendar, avoiding weekends and holidays. Before you do that, take a moment to review the settings here, like the working days of the week, the standard working hours, or the required resting time. You can also set vital information that will make it all the way to your call sheets. We'll get to that in a minute. PMP can keep an eye on how much time you spend shooting each day. It warns you if you have overtime, and it can also tell you when you still have time to squeeze another scene into that shooting day. Once you have a draft schedule, you may want to make sure that nothing's been overlooked. Let PMP highlight the potential problems for you. You can see here if you're missing any approvals, or if you have any overtime, maybe even some extra time you can use to shoot, or if any crew or cast member has conflicting schedules in their calendars. If you need to quickly verify or change something from another module, you can look at a quick overview of the most important assets from this menu. After a thorough day's work, you are now ready to export information about your schedule. You can get the entire schedule or an Excel report of the day out of days, which you may need for budgeting. You can personalize and print other lists and overviews into PDF, such as a number of selected shooting days in their original strip format or laid out in a convenient calendar view. The most important export is the call sheet, which you can print for each shooting day. You can set your production and department notes, some of which appear on every call sheet. Others are added only for the current shooting day. PMP brings all the relevant details together from the breakdown, crew, casting, locations, and equipment modules. The layout of the call sheet is based on a preset template, but you can make changes to its content and formatting before you print it. Enjoy scheduling in PMP. Thanks for your attention.